Hello friends, I am Samadhan from Eco Network 69. Today I am going to show you how to repair IMEI of Karbonn Turbo A6. This is Karbonn Turbo A6. See, you can have a look of it. The phone have same issue, invalid IMEI. Okay, so I am going to install it, but it's not for permanent. It is for temporary use only. And as soon as you reset your handset, IMEI will be lost for the next time. Okay, then let's start the process. First of all, always check the IMEI number written on the back side below the battery of your phone, which is here. As you can see, this Karbonn A6 Turbo, IMEI 1 and IMEI 2. It's a dual SIM phone, so it has everything here. Okay, let's put the battery in the phone so that we can go for the further process. So I'm putting the battery in the phone. See this, and I'm switching it on. Now let the phone start fully, and then I'll show you how to repair this phone. Karbonn Smart. Okay, this phone is password lock. Putting the password number. Okay, now it's on. Okay, phone is switched on. How we confirm that we have issue of invalid IMEI? So it's very easy. Okay, now let me put my phone on charging first. Okay, so this is invalid IMEI. Both IMEIs are invalid. Okay, so prior to starting anything, first of all, you need to get in the coverage of Wi-Fi so that you can download a tool which is required for it. First of all, you have to download MTK engineering application. Karbonn A6 Turbo is a MTK device, so you require to download MTK engineering. Okay, and you need paper on which the IMEI is written, which is on the back side of your phone. So it is here with me. So now I'm starting the process. I'm clicking on the MTK engineering mode, MTK settings. Again on the second menu, which is connectivity, here in the CDS menu, in the radio menu. Okay, now here it is the main funda. Let's start this process again so that you can understand it. Okay, so this is MTK engineering. You're going to find this application in the App Store, Google App Store. Open it, MTK settings, go to connectivity, go to CDS information, then radio, then select phone 1. As soon as you select phone 1, you will get so many options like IMEI, MSI, radio stats, SIM stat, phone number. Okay, don't read it completely because we need to repair our IMEI. Stay focused on it. So okay, now this is the exact menu. Okay, I'm again starting the process. In a radio information, there is phone 1 and phone 2. If your phone is single SIM card phone, so it will give you only one, phone 1, and if it is dual SIM, it will give you phone 1 and phone 2. Click on phone 1, go here, type EMGR, or type E. Okay, put the space between at plus and space EMGR. Okay, now I'm putting one space. Come here, do not delete anything, just come in the center of the phone. Now put the IMEI number which we already have, so which is 911 2990749. Okay, now this is my IMEI number. At plus space EGMR is equal to 1,7, inverted commas, your IMEI number, inverted comma, close. Send. See, at command is sent. Okay, let's move to the second one. Click on phone 2, again type E. You will give, now you have to select second one, which is 1,10, because it's your second SIM phone. If your phone is first one, put the 1,7 only. So I'm putting the same space between the plus and EGMR. Again I am typing my second IMEI number. Okay, see this how it looks. Now I'm again sending the information, send at command. It says at command is sent. Now do not go back or do anything apart from this. Reboot your phone. Let's wait until the phone gets rebooted. Okay, phone is restarting. Let's wait. Now phone is switched on again, so let's find out whether we got network or not. Okay, star #06#. Okay, okay, now we have our both IMEIs back to a normal condition. Okay, that simply means we have working network here, as you can see it. See this, the process has been done. Okay, so now the phone is working condition. This is for today. If you have any queries, any issue, you can comment on the particular video, below the particular video, and I'll help you. Bye.